Alright guys, welcome back after that short advert break. Let us quickly wrap up today's lesson. So in today's lesson, we've looked at the topic of banking. We've looked at some explanation as well as some examples. Now, what are the important language, the words that you should be familiar with? We indicated that bank services, right, are the services that the bank can perform on your behalf and on your instruction, right? We also looked at the type of banking services where we've indicated that an automatic monthly payments made by the bank on your behalf. Then we looked at the debit order. That's where the service provider issues an instruction to your bank to make payments to them. Also, we looked at stop orders, right? That's a fixed payment that does not vary from month to month, made by you to your bank, right? Then we also looked at the type of account where we indicated first that we have a savings account. Now that's money withdrawn or deposited at any time without any notice. We looked at fixed deposit accounts where money deposited that cannot be withdrawn for a certain period of time. And look at the difference between the two there. Then a check account provides funds for either withdrawal or for payments. And then we looked at credit card. Now we indicated that a credit card allows you to buy goods and services now and pay for them later. All right. And then lastly, we've looked at the debit card where we say, okay, debit card is the alternative payments method to cash for making purchases. Okay. I hope that's clear to all of you. Guys, let's quickly look at some common errors that I would like you to avoid. All right. So I've indicated here, when working with money, please round off to 2 decimal places, right? In other cases, round off according to the context or whatever the instruction is saying, okay? Also important is that you must ensure that you read all the information. As you've seen in today's lesson, we presented quite a lot of information in one document, right? And it's important that you read all the information and understand exactly what the question is all about. Then we've noticed that it's important when we determine daily interest that we divide by 365 because 1 year consists of 365 days. Always make sure that you copy correctly from your calculator. Guys, especially when we're in a hurry and we have a lot of calculations to do, it is so easy for mistakes to slip in. Then lastly, I indicated here, ensure that you verify or conclude based on your calculation. All right, so those are things that I want you to keep in mind when you answer questions. Okay, so guys, before I say goodbye, let me quickly leave you with something for this upcoming week. I indicated here that Vincent is banking with Commercial Bank. Study the Commercial Bank pricing guide and answer the questions that follow, right? So here we have our Commercial Bank pricing guide. And remember, before you start with the question, get familiar with what is presented to you. So what is the actual question that you need to answer? It says here, Vincent stated that he will pay less than 100 Rand towards transaction fees should he withdraw a cash amount of 5,000 Rand from a Commercial Bank branch. Verify, showing all calculations whether his statement is valid. Guys, so that is your challenge for the upcoming week. Please apply what we've done in today's lesson. Please stay safe, work every day. Until next time, see you next time. Goodbye.